Ellie, dry it here. Where else did you dry?
Haul from the candy room. So, after Takis, pumili din kami ng si Mia, binilan ako ng pickle in a pouch. Do you want to try this, Aya?
Okay.
Kadiri, but not now. In Manila na lang. So, pickle in a pouch.
Where's my wire?
What else? Yung mga wala dito. So, yung Takis, 3 packs in 1. Naka-single pack siya per, So, yun.
Wait for
Warheads. It's just candy. Candy.
warhead fan.
Gusto ko din to try. Lucas Gummy Spicy Mango. So, siguro may tahin din siya. Tapos, parang dried mango. Then, bumili kami ng rock candy. Gusto niya i-try. Ito yung mga favorite ko dati. Then, yung isa pang pack. Then, itong tahin. Snack Club. Peach Rings. It.
I'm writing. Mommy forgot. I got this lip gloss that's Sour Patch Blue Raspberry. It smells like it. It smells like the Sour Patch. It smells sour.
Taste. How about the taste? Sweet or not?
Regular. It's just like the regular chopstick. Okay. I'll get one pizza down
So,
here.
finally, na-try ko na tong
I
Takis
got this.
Fuego Lollipop. Nakabili ako dito.
I got this.
So, kanina sobrang balot na balot siya sa powder. As in, parang wala kang matitikman na matamis na super alit lang and anghang.
And I tried. It's pickle in a pouch.
Alat anghang lang yung unang matitikman. Pero, pag nasipsip mo na siyang madami, malalasa mo na yung may konting sweetness.
Okay, that's it.
Harap. Parang may pagka-mango.
Hot.
Yata. Kaya parang mango. So, pwede mo siya sausawin ng parang chili powder. Harap.